Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this particular error whenever you try to place an order on your website and it's giving you this error. There's an error processing your order. So I'm going to show you how to fix this error quickly. You can see from what I have now, from mine now, you can see it's giving me this. Let me even redo it again. Let me come over here and try to place an order. You can see by the time I click on place order, if I click on place order, it will just load, and you can see after loading it's going to just throw up that error for me again. So let's just wait and see. So you can see it still brought me, yeah, it's telling me that this error. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the possible ways for you to be able to solve this particular error. I'll give you other ways and I'll show you the one that actually worked for my own site. So let's go ahead into the tutorial.
Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this.
So one way you can use to actually solve this issue is to, first of all, either you can go to your team, you go to your team and change the team. You can change the team to a different team and see if the problem still persists. If by the time you change it and the problem still persists, what you are going to do, just return back to the previous team you were using. Now we are going to try the second approach, which is the plugins. Maybe it's as a result of conflict with your plugins. So now doing that, to test that, you check all your active teams. You only leave the ones that are actually responsible for your site functionality. Now this is an e-commerce website, so now you are going to make sure you leave WooCommerce activated. Then all the rest you can deactivate them and start activating them one after the other to see which one is actually giving the issue. So you can do try that particular approach. So if the error still persists, now I think this is not really from your plugins. So now we'll go ahead to show you, try this other option of updating your PHP version. You can probably increase the PHP version of you are using on your website. You can try to increase or downgrade to see if that will also solve the problem. If it doesn't solve the problem, let's go ahead into this other way. So the last step we are going to be trying is to ensure you download and install. You come over to plugins and install your SMTP plugin. So now you're going to come to SMTP. Now I actually I'm making use of this, so you can see this is what I'm using, and WP Mail SMTP, that's what I'm using. So once you do that, you come to the WP Mail SMTP. Now you going to set it up. You set up the SMTP. Once you do I'll be dropping a link to the video on where I showed you how to set up your SMTP, and I'll be dropping the link in the description box below, and you can also check in the video showing so you can click on it to learn how to set it up. So once you set that up and get everything running, so now once that is set up and working fine, so now we should be able to fix the error. So now let's just come back. Now you can see I've already set it up here. I've gone ahead to set the SMTP up now. So now once I do that, and I'm going to come over here and reload my site. Now once I reload it, I'm going to now test the checkout process. So let me just test it now. Let's see. Let me test it. So now I'm going to place an order and see if it's going to successfully go through. So you can see it's actually worked. It actually worked. You can see it's reloading. Now it has brought me to my thank you page. So you can see it actually worked. So this approach actually solved the issue there and the problem we're actually having. So the error was from the mail sending. It was unable to send a mail to me, to the person. That's why it's actually having that particular error. So I believe that might have solved your issue. So in case this video might have been helpful to you, please hit on the like button and share this video to anyone that might be facing this particular error or might learn from this particular video or this particular channel. So now, in case you have any video idea you want me to actually work on, you can drop in the comment box section and I'm going to try my best to see how to answer to each and every one of them. So until next time, this is where I'm going to stop for this particular tutorial. Bye for now.